We have finally reached the end of our series, and I bet you're now wondering, now that I've configured all of these settings, how do I actually use them? All right, let's get to that. Now, for the purposes of this tutorial, I've created a scheduled job shell which will run every night and check if it is to send out any of the reminder emails based on the settings configured. We have to start by injecting our iMembership settings interface so that we can be able to use it within the job. Once that is done, we can await the getValueAsync method on the settings to get the values set. For simple settings, that will be enough. However, since compound settings are an object, when we use the getValueAsync method for membership payments, it returns an object that contains several properties such as the debit day, initial reminder, due day reminder, first overdue reminder, subsequent overdue reminder, and the final notice. But we can access all of these properties by simply drilling down on the compound settings property that we have just set. Now that we've discussed the difference between getting values for simple and compound settings, let's move on to setting these values. And the process varies depending on whether we're dealing with simple or compound settings, of course. We can await the set values async method and provide a single updated value for the simple setting by incrementing its current value by 1. For compound settings, however, we need to create a new instance of the membership payment settings object. We then set each property of this object individually. In this example, we're incrementing several properties such as the debit day, initial reminder, first overdue reminder, subsequent overdue reminder, and final notice by 1, but the due day reminder remains unchanged. The same read and write functionalities are also accessible on the front end under the application object, which is available on all the code editors within the front end application. This gives you access to the different settings that have been registered on the application. In this way, you have flexibility to read or write to your settings from literally anywhere on your application, which is so flexible. Great. Now that brings us to the end of our application settings series. I had so much fun learning with you, and I hope you stay tuned for more Shesha goodness. Bye.